The Koutop Handheld Steam Cleaner is crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant ABS material, ensuring durability even during high-temperature use. This steam cleaner delivers impressive steam power, reaching an optimal cleaning temperature in just 15 seconds, which allows for efficient and swift cleaning. Its high-pressure steam, delivered at 50 pounds per square inch, penetrates deeply into materials, effectively loosening stubborn dirt and dissolving grease without chemicals. With a large and transparent water tank, it can provide over 45 minutes of continuous steam, and its 3-stage steam adjustment dial allows for precise cleaning on a variety of surfaces. Weighing only 4.4 pounds, this portable cleaner includes 16 specialized attachments, making it versatile for tasks ranging from auto detailing to home cleaning. The Koutop Steam Cleaner operates using only water, making it an eco-friendly and safe option for households with children or pets.